these have been previously used. So step number one for me is I'm going to need to take off the glue just by simply grabbing onto the lash part and pulling at the band part, making sure I'm just pulling the glue and not the lashes. So I'm just going to be applying a very, very thin line to these lashes. This lash glue does not take that long to get tacky, so that's a plus. Another thing you'll need for this is some tweezers, because I cannot apply my lashes with my hands, with my fingers. I have tried. It is one of the hardest things known to man. If you can do it, all the power to you, girl. These are about $1 at Walmart and they work wonders, okay? Okay. So I'm just gonna be taking a mirror and holding it flat, and I'm going to be looking into it like this, and that's how I'm gonna apply my lashes. The mirror down here is gonna help me see exactly where it is I'm going to be placing my lashes, and when I do apply them, it won't be coming up like this, and it won't be drooping down like this. It'll just be a nice little flat. You feel me? You can also apply mascara to your eyelashes if you need them, and curl them if you need to, but I personally, I do it sometimes and then I don't do it sometimes. It doesn't really matter. I don't really see a big difference whether you apply mascara or not, and I don't need to personally curl my lashes because they are already curly. So holding my mirror like so, and my lashes in one hand, applying pressure using my thumb and my pointing finger, I'm just going to be placing it down the middle, pulling it outwards a little bit, setting that down while the inner corner gets a little bit tacky, and then I'm going to secure that part. I always do my inner corner last. I am going in like this and then flattening it once I get to the base of my lashes, just to make sure I do not pick up any of my lashes and glue them down, and then when I pull them out, I'm pulling out my lashes with the fluffies, you feel me? I'm gonna go down, under. Just like so. Place the middle down. Secure the outer corner. And work your way in to the inner corner. And my lashes are applied. And once I do my other lash, I just go ahead and give them a little push upwards, but I'm just gonna wait for it to fully dry, and I'm gonna bring y'all closer so y'all can see exactly what it is I'm doing. So taking my lashes, going over and under, popping that in the middle, securing the outer corner, and then securing the inner corner. And that's it for how I apply my lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. This is how I personally like to apply my lashes. You can do your own little take your own little twist to it. Do you, girl. Do you. Bye guys.